I brought you guys together for a reason that I've worked with you guys in the past on something or another. I brought you together because I think that you would make a really good team and an asset for our team, and you all bring something unique and different to the team. And we got a virus out there that's trying to kill us, Jimmy.
That's right.
It's trying to kill our families and our loved ones.
It is.
And we need to do something about it, and we got a product that will be, I think, part of the solution moving forward for a long, long time. So, we got Michelle on the phone. She's in Houston. She takes care of our Houston H-Town people. And we have JR, he's in Oklahoma City. He's going to be running the phone room for us and handling a lot of the incoming calls once we get to that point. We have Mr. Steve Fly over here. Mr. Steve Fly has been around for a long time, and he knows ins and outs of every dealership in the Metroplex, by the way. And the coolest guy in the world, Mr. Paul Salfin, ladies and gentlemen.
It was a mistake.
It was a mistake?
That's a typo.
And then we have Michael Nass. Michael and I started, we all, I think everybody here came out of the car business except maybe Paul.
Yeah.
Paul kind of caught up with us in the car business, but Michael and I did a lot of stuff together. We toured with Motley Crue and did a lot of cool stuff together with Rock and Red Carpet. We started the War of Rock together. So, we came out of the car business together, but we've done a lot of fun stuff, and Paul's done a lot of great stuff. And then there's Kevin Loper. Okay, Kevin is the guy. Kevin is the guy that is our main guy, the guy that actually does all the work. Listen, this is Kevin's company. He owns Skins here in Dallas, and he does all the printing for us. He's also got a construction company. So when we put the deal together, and we're going to go treat and take care of one of these facilities for somebody that's going to protect them from this virus, we're going to call Kevin, and his crew is going to be the one that actually goes out there and does it, okay? So anyway, I just wanted to everybody to come together one time and just make sure everybody understands that our time is of the essence. We really don't have, I want to get this thing going and going fast. We've got to get this product out to people so that we can help maybe potentially save some lives. And the lives we save, maybe yours, So, and I know that sounds crazy, and maybe, oh my goodness, he's trying to scare you. And if you're scared, listen, I'm scared sometimes. And I might not say I'm scared, but I am more conscious about what I'm doing now than I've ever done anything in my life. When I open the door, with the elbows. When I see somebody coming, I put my elbow out. I'm almost checking them. Because that's where we're at right now. The way we do business and the way we conduct ourselves from here on out is going to be completely different.
I think this is going to be really, really great for everybody. That it's not clear right now that for everyone that this is what they need to do, but it will be soon.
I think we're in uncharted territory right now. And the fact that we're on the leading edge of this is important. And I think this is going to be big. So I'm excited to be a part of it.
Thank you for being here, Mike.
Well, when this quarantine lifts, basically everybody's going to be a little gun shy. So when they can get in their Uber, when they can walk into a business, anything, and see that it's been sanitized and there is some buzz about what this product delivers, then that right there is, I think, the huge niche for this is everybody's going to want to be able to have some way to reassure their customers that their venue, that their vehicle, you name it, is safe for them to come in. And that's where I see a huge niche in this, especially when you talk about things like a ride share. If you can have that confidence when you see that sticker on the car that this vehicle.
Yeah, if I got in the Uber and I saw that sticker in the car, I'll feel a lot better. Yeah, peace of mind. I mean, that's what I think we're selling more than anything is, not just the protection, not the cleansing, and not the protection, but a peace of mind. What do you think, Michelle? Are you excited down there in Houston?
Absolutely excited in Houston. My brain is chipping away at all the places I need there.
Oh, absolutely. I'm really excited. I mean, I think, the world's never going to be the same. And, like you said, peace of mind. I think a lot of businesses and a lot of people will divide, their lives into two sections before this and after this. And I think a lot of this industry and many other, to be quite frank, will flourish, and people will just approach it differently from here on out. So I think we're in the right place at the right time.
When we go in and clean these facilities, one of the things we're going to do is we're going to clean, we're going to test, and then we're going to certify your business. And what I mean by certification is we're going to make it SAC, scientifically advanced cleansed. We're going to put these stickers everywhere. So, when people come in, they'll know that you're taking more of a proactive reaction to this than being reactive. We got to get out of this, let's react to, oh, one of my employees might have got sick and we need to clean it up. Listen, if you're at that point, your business is closed. If somebody gets sick at your business, you're going to close the doors. You have a choice. What we want you to do is be more proactive instead of reactive.